Let's make this beautiful coffee cake. We'll start by mixing condensed milk in a bowl with oil and Gruner coffee. I'm using the chocolate and raspberry flavor and it's very amazing. Add in some soda water to it and whisk it really nicely till everything is dissolved. Now add baking powder and baking soda to it and maida or all purpose flour. Mix it very nicely so that the batter is smooth and everything is combined. Now bake it at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Then in a bowl take some white chocolate, melt it and add in some fresh cream and mix it really nice. There you have your white chocolate ganache ready. Keep it aside. Then in a bowl, take some water and add in 2 tablespoons of Gruner chocolate raspberry coffee and again keep it aside. Then whip some whipping cream, add in the prepared chocolate ganache and the coffee concoction that we made. Beat everything very nicely so that everything is combined and you have nice, rich, soft cream ready. Do not over whip it, otherwise it will split. Just look at the consistency, how soft it is. Amazing and perfect. Let's keep it aside and we'll start with our sponge. I'm taking the coffee sponge that we made and I have cooled it for about 5 to 6 hours. Divide it into two halves and then spread our coffee cream on one layer. Spread it nicely, you don't have to be really perfect with this. Then top it with the other half. Now I'm using a very fancy nozzle to pipe the rest of the cream so that the cake looks beautiful. Complete it and dust it with some cocoa powder and rest it in fridge for 3 to 4 hours before serving. And there you have your amazing and super delicious coffee cake ready, which has a nice rich flavor of chocolate and raspberry as well. This is a very good dessert to serve and it's very rich in flavor, melt in mouth and easy to make. Thank you for watching.